Hi, and welcome back to another edition of Oily Time with Jax. This week we get to cover summer stuff. Summer's here. Yes. Okay, I'm going to give you some DIY summer essentials for survival. Yeah. Thanks to Amanda for allowing me to take some of her creations as well. And things you're going to need. We want to get those out of the way. You can get a 16-ounce glass bottle, an 8-ounce glass bottle with the spray tops, or a 4-ounce glass bottle. Isn't that cute? And dropper tops, little 2-ounce dropper top bottle here, and a 10 ml roller bottle. Quick note for those of us who like to recycle stuff, you can get dropper tops and roller tops for your 5 ml or 50 ml essential oil bottles. Once they're empty, wash them out, get the label off, relabel them. There you go. No waste. I like that idea. Okay, so we are going into July. Yes, summer. I live for summer if you can't tell. I'm going to cover some great DIY hacks coming up here next. Okay, so I'm going to give you the recipes for each one of these, so you don't have to go and scramble and try and write them down. You can actually pause right on the recipes so that you'll have them, and you can make your own DIY essentials for summer. Okay, I'm going to start with Mermaid Hair Spray. This will actually help it grow. It keeps it shiny. It's a great spray to put on your hair at any given time. Okay, so in a 16-ounce spray bottle, you're going to add 10 drops of rosemary, 10 drops of cedarwood, and 10 drops of lavender. And we're simply going to fill the rest with distilled water and shake. Spray, and it really works well with tangly hair as well. Just spray on your hair, shake it in, boom. Summer Mermaid Hairspray. It'll help your hair grow and you'll feel fantastic. My second DIY summer essential is After Sun Spray. We're going to do a 2-ounce spray bottle, and in this we're going to put 15 drops of lavender, 5 drops of peppermint, 5 drops of frankincense, and 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel. We don't want any perfumes or anything in there. We just want straight up aloe vera gel. Then we're going to fill the rest with fractionated coconut oil. And then simply spray. We'll give it a good shake first, right? And then spray it on. And wow, is that a nice cooling after sun spray. Totally natural. It's going to help heal your skin. And if you're getting burnt and you've been out in the sun for a long time and your sunscreen is worn off, whatever's gone on, you've gone into the water, come back out, it's going to feel amazing. Next up is bug spray, and this one has a lot of oils in it. You can make a version of this without all the oils in it. The list I'm giving you is for sure all gonna get those Mondo mosquitoes that are coming out and have been for the last couple of years, at least where I live. Okay, so we're gonna do 5 drops lavender, 5 drops purification, 5 drops peppermint, 10 drops citronella, 10 drops lemongrass, and 10 drops Palo Santo. A little bit of a minty smell to the Palo Santo. And guess what? It's also good for negative energies. Win-win, right? So you're going to add a little bit of witch hazel if you want to preserve it for a little while. If you think you're just going to go through it, then you don't have to do the witch hazel. If you want to make it now and let it sit, usually around August for us here, it gets a little nuts with the mosquitoes. So I can pre-make it, add a bit of witch hazel. I'm going to fill the rest with distilled water. There you go. Bug spray. And it's totally chemical free. It won't take your nail polish off, and it doesn't have DEET. You know, if you spray your toes done, you go spray bug spray on your toes, boom, there goes your nail polish. Why? Because it's a chemical. Yes, you guessed it. Okay, we're going to move on to number 4, and that is our Smooth Legs for Days roller. What you're going to need is a 10 ml roller, and we're going to add 10 drops of cypress, 10 drops of juniper, and 10 drops of lemongrass. Fill the rest with fractionated coconut oil, or you can use jojoba oil. It's your preference. Get that roller top on there and boom, rub it on your legs, and it does spread very easily as well. So it does go a long way and it feels incredible. Okay, the kids are out of school, and now that they're not entertained by school, they're expecting you moms to go out there and entertain them. Yeah, like it's your job. Okay, we have a tantrum roller. And don't worry, I've got a chill mom roller coming up, or dad. Either one can use it. So the tantrum roller has 10 drops of white angelica and 10 drops of our blend called Stress Away. And when I say our blend, I'm talking Young Living Essential Oils Stress Away blend. What? It is so good. And it'll suck that tantrum right out of those little guys. No more tantrum. Tantrum free. Here you go. They can't help but stop because it just works, gets in the mind, and it just causes them to chill out. That's what we want. Have a chill, fun summer, not a tantrum-filled crying summer. Yeah. Okay, there is a Mama Chill oil. Yeah, you were waiting for this one. 20 drops of Stress Away, which is a blend Young Living has, and it's fantastic. 10 drops of frankincense, 5 drops of lavender, add some fractionated coconut oil in there, and cap it. Boom, Mama Chill. So kids are chilling, and mom's got her peace of mind back and can enjoy her summer as well. Okay, finally, we have our last one. It is called the Beauty Serum, and you're gonna want to take a note of this one. There's quite a few oils. I'm probably gonna look down while I'm reading them off to you. So we're gonna start with 20 drops of frankincense, 20 drops of blue tansy, 10 drops of lavender, 10 drops of tea tree oil, 5 drops of manuka, 5 drops of patchouli, 5 drops of geranium, and then add jojoba oil or the fractionated coconut oil and put on your face as needed. Generally, you're going to do this at night before bed. You want to put your hair back for that and just get it right into the skin, and voila, nice skin. After all that sun and outdoors, and if you're doing water sports and all the above, here you go. There's something for you to make your face stay as beautiful as you like to have it. The Beauty Serum. Okay, if you are looking to get any of these oils, you're going to want to go to my website right there, yeah, and get some. Also on this website, I offer a free Essential Oils 101 class that's emailed to you. It comes in small increments, so you're not overwhelmed with a whole ton of information. You can just read it at leisure, keep those emails, refer to them. There's a lot of great information there. And you can simply sign up, it's free, and ask me questions when you're ready. It makes it easy to kind of get onto this bandwagon of essential oils and kind of understand what it is you're getting into and why I'm going off about chemical free and how great it is to use essential oils, because they are so good for your skin, your immune system, your body, your cleaning products. I mean, it just goes on and on and on. There's even makeup. I mean, chemical free, talc free, all of that paraffin free makeup that is really good for your skin, and it makes you look gorgeous. If you like what I'm doing, hit that like button and subscribe. I'd really love it if you could share with your friends if you think this is cool enough, and hit that bell so you don't miss another video. It just gives you notifications saying, hey, she did another video right on Jax. Okay. Please reach out to me with any questions, and don't hesitate to check out my Facebook page, Oily Time with Jax. See all the information I have on there, and reach out to me. Messenger is good. My email and my Facebook page will be in the description below. And I love to talk oils. So come up with an idea for me and I'll be happy to do it. All right, until next week, happy oiling.